Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science great.
Computers think.
What? Let me state.
AI, artificial smart. Thinking machines. Pure art.
AI stands for artificial intelligence.
Makes computers excellence.
Learn, decide, and solve.
AI, ever evolve.
Chess and Go playing champs. AI beats pros in bumps.
Generate images and text.
AI, what's next?
AI smart, computers think. Intelligence, no blink.
Learning, choosing, solving too.
AI smart, through and through.
Artificial intelligence grown.
AI's the brain zone.
ChatGPT answers questions,
AI,
full of suggestions.
image AI creates pics.
AI, amazing tricks.
AI helps doctors too.
Diagnosis,
Accurate view.
used in phones and cars.
AI's among the stars.
You might use AI daily.
AI helps you gaily. AI smart, computers think. Intelligence, no blink.
Learning, choosing, solving too.
AI smart, through and through.
Artificial intelligence grown.
AI's the brain zone.
Now you know AI smart computers with brain art.
Learning, thinking, and more.
AI,
The big door. Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science great.
Siri, listen. How? Let me state.
voice assistants here. AI answers clear. Hey Siri or Alexa call. Voice assistants answer all. Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant.
Complexa.
Microphone hears your voice.
AI processes choice.
Converts speech to text.
AI.
No more vexed.
Siri, Alexa, listen now.
Voice AI.
Take a bow. Microphone picks up voice.
AI makes the choice.
Millions use.
Voice assistants.
Voice tech persistent.
Play music, set a timer.
Voice AI.
Primer. Ask a question, get an answer.
Voice AI.
No chancer.
Smart speakers in homes.
Voice AI everywhere roams.
Always listening for wake word.
Voice AI.
Never absurd.
You may use voice assistants.
Voice AI consistent. Siri, Alexa, listen now.
Voice AI.
Take a bow. Microphone picks up voice.
AI makes the choice.
Millions use.
Voice assistants.
Voice tech persistent.
Now you know. Voice AI.
Siri, Alexa,
No shy.
listen, process.
Respond.
Voice AI.
Pond.
Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science great. Computers learn how. Let me state.
Machine learning. Cool skill.
AI learns with will.
Give computer lots of data. Like showing kid a painter. Learns the patterns, rules. Machine learning tools.
Show computer cats and dogs. Learns to tell.
Clear fogs.
Now sees new photo. Guesses.
Machine learns.
No messes.
Machine learn like kids do. Data teaches. True. Lots of examples given. Machine learning thriving. Pattern recognition grows.
Machine learning knows. Netflix learns what you like.
Suggest movies.
No spike. Google translates languages.
Machine learning advantages.
Bigger data, better learning.
Machine always earning.
Deep learning neural networks.
Machine learning without quirks.
You see machine learning.
Recommendations returning. Machine learn like kids do. Data teaches true. Lots of examples given. Machine learning thriving. Pattern recognition grows.
Machine learning knows.
Now you know machine learn.
Like kids.
The same term.
Data teaches computers too.
Machine learning for you.
Kyo-ho, out! Yo, it's Kyo-ho, science grape. Computers patterns, how? Let me state. AI finds the patterns. Recognition in the manner. Pattern recognition, AI skill. Computers find patterns still. Faces in photo identified. Pattern.
No hide.
Face ID unlocks your phone. Pattern recognition
Known.
fingerprint sensor works.
Pattern. No quirks. Pattern spot. Computers find.
Fast.
Never blind.
Faces, voices, handwriting too.
Pattern spots for you.
Faster than a human eye.
Patterns don't pass by.
Handwriting to text recognized,
Pattern.
not disguised.
Shapes in images clear.
Pattern recognition near. Medical scans show disease.
Pattern recognition with ease.
Spam filters block junk mail.
Pattern recognition never fail.
You use pattern recognition.
Phone unlock.
The admission.
Pattern spot. Computers find.
Fast.
Never blind.
Faces, voices, handwriting too.
Pattern spots for you.
Faster than a human eye.
Patterns don't pass by.
Now you know pattern find.
AI fast. Never blind.
Faces, voices, patterns caught.
Pattern recognition taught.
Kyo-ho, out. Yo, it's Kyo-ho, science grape.
YouTube knows how. Let me state.
Suggest videos you'll love. Algorithm from above. Recommendation AI watches what you view.
No botches.
Suggest similar videos. Recommendations.
No nos.
Netflix, Spotify, Amazon.
All use recommendations.
AI learns your taste. Recommendation.
No waste. Recommend. Suggest. Find your likes.
AI makes good strikes.
YouTube, Netflix, Spotify.
Recommendations amplify.
Learn what you've clicked before.
Recommendation more.
Based on what you watch or click.
Recommendations.
Very slick. Others like you, similar pick.
Recommendations
Smart trick.
can trap you in bubble too.
Same stuff overthrew.
Try different content sometimes.
Recommendations sublime.
You see recommendations each day.
Algorithms the way. Recommend, suggest, find your likes.
AI makes good strikes.
YouTube, Netflix, Spotify.
Recommendations amplify.
Learn what you've clicked before.
Recommendation more.
Now you know recommendations.
AI suggests
Big sensations.
based on your history.
Recommendation mystery.
Kyo-ho, out. Yo, it's Kyo-ho.
Science great.
Phones translate.
How? Let me state.
Type or speak in English. Translate to Spanish.
No finish.
Google Translate app amazing. 100 plus languages grazing. Type text or speak instant. Translation.
No distant.
AI learned languages many. From books and translations any. Now translates anything.
Translation.
Great thing.
Translate
100 plus languages now.
Translation, take a bow.
Connect with other cultures.
Translation, supplant others.
Camera translates signs too.
Point phone,
Translated new.
foreign menus, easy read.
Translation fills the need.
Conversation mode speaks back.
Translation without lack.
Hear other language heard.
Translation every word.
You could talk worldwide.
Translation open wide.
Translate language instant. AI really can't resist it.
100 plus languages now.
Translation, take a bow.
Connect with other cultures.
Translation supplants others.
Now you know AI.
Translates,
Language.
connect mates.
Instant translation worldwide.
Translation open wide.
Kyoho out. Yo, it's Kyoho. Science great.
Cars drive, how? Let me state.
Self-driving AI at wheel.
Autonomous.
The real deal.
Cameras see the road ahead. Sensors check, not dread. AI processes all the data.
Self-driving.
No later.
LiDAR uses laser beams.
Map surroundings.
Dreams.
Radar senses far away.
Self-driving.
New way. Self-drive, cars, no hands. AI driver understands.
Cameras lighter.
Radar more. Autonomous explore.
Tesla.
Waymo, famous names.
Self-driving.
Big games.
Follow traffic rules like humans.
Self-driving.
No humdrums.
Stop at red, go on green.
Self-driving scene. Can navigate unfamiliar places.
Self-driving keeps paces.
Not perfect yet.
Improving.
Self-driving keeps moving.
You may ride in one soon.
Self-driving afternoon.
Self-drive, cars, no hands. AI driver understands.
Cameras LiDAR.
Radar more. Autonomous explore.
Tesla.
Waymo, famous names.
Self-driving.
Big games.
Now you know self-driving.
AI with a purpose driving.
Camera sensors smart.
Self-driving new start.
Kyoho out. Yo, it's Kyoho. Science grape.
Data, what? Let me state.
Information stored digital.
Data's critical.
Data is facts, numbers, words, stored in computers like herds. Names, addresses, photos, scores, data on every door.
Bytes, kilobytes, megabytes. Data sizes, different plights. Gigabytes and terabytes. Data, different heights. Data, info, computers use.
Stored info,
No lose.
numbers, words, pictures, more.
Data, through every door.
Everything digital is data.
Data, no regatta.
Data collected everywhere
Apps, websites,
with care.
careful.
What you share.
Data, privacy, beware.
Parents help with privacy.
Data, no hypocrisy.
Personal data protected.
Data, disconnected.
You generate data daily.
Data shapes things daily. Data, info, computers use.
Stored info,
No loose.
numbers, words, pictures, more.
Data, through every door.
Everything digital is data.
Data, no regatta.
Now you know data stuff.
Information not tough.
Bytes upon bytes to store.
Data,
Digital core.
Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho Science Grape.
Huge data.
How? Let me state. Billions of points collect.
Big data.
No reject. Big data, massive piles, analyzed for miles, patterns found in huge sets.
Big data.
No regrets. Weather patterns predict, big data won't conflict. Disease outbreaks tracked,
Big data.
facts stacked.
Big data. Patterns found.
Insights all around.
Huge piles analyzed.
Big data,
No disguise.
billions of data points.
Big data joints.
Companies use big data to understand customers. True. Traffic apps predict delays.
Big data.
Many ways. Scientists discover trends.
Big data.
Never ends. Climate change analyzed,
Big data.
not downsized.
You help big data grow.
Every click, you know.
Big data. Patterns found.
Insights all around.
Huge piles analyzed.
Big data,
No disguise.
billions of data points.
Big data joints.
Now you know big data.
Insights.
No regretta.
Huge amounts analyzed.
Patterns realized.
Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho, Science Grape.
AI help more. How? Let me state.
AI future bright ahead. AI ethics. Said AI helps doctors diagnose, helps the elderly and more.
Write stories with you.
Makes learning fun too.
Self-driving reduces accidents.
AI has great advents.
Better search for data needs.
AI, everyone succeeds.
AI help future bright. AI lifts, what a sight.
Doctors, learning cars and more.
AI opens every door.
Ethics matter greatly too.
AI ethical for you.
But we must be careful too.
AI can have issues.
True.
Jobs might change, people worry.
AI ethics.
No flurry.
Fairness, important to us.
AI must serve all just.
Transparency.
How AI works.
AI.
No more quirks.
You will live with AI more.
Ethics matters.
Understand core.
AI help future bright. AI lifts, what a sight.
Doctors, learning cars and more.
AI opens every door.
Ethics matter greatly too.
AI ethical for you.
Now you know.
AI future.
Help from
All things nurture.
ethics.
Keep AI right.
AI, bright or slight.
Kyoho